Hi, I'm Dale, and I'm here to show you some of the top products in our barbecue and smoker range this season. I'll help you pick out the best barbecue or smoker to suit your cooking or entertaining style. Let's get into it. We have a range of options to suit all kinds of outdoor cooking styles. If you want quick and easy, gas barbecues are a great choice. Gas barbecues heat up instantly, offer precise temperature control, and are cleaner than charcoal with minimal smoke and no ash cleanup. Available in a range of sizes, from compact options for small spaces to larger setups for entertaining, gas barbecues are a cost-effective, flexible solution for outdoor cooking. If you're into slow cooking or smoky flavours, smokers are a great option. And for those who like to mix up their cooking styles, there are combination grills which offer gas, charcoal, and smoking all in one. Whatever you prefer, there's something here for you. Now let's take a closer look at our gas barbecues. The Matador Ignite is available in 2, 4, or 6 burners and has everything you need for everyday cooking or entertaining. It's got a sleek modern design, Bluetooth connectivity for tracking your cook through the Matador Barbecue app, and LED lit dials to make grilling at night easier. Another great option is the Matador Ignite Plus. It builds on the Ignite's features with extras like a rotisserie kit, gas level reader, chopping board, and even a slide-out rubbish bin. It's perfect if you're after a premium barbecue experience. So that's the gas barbecues, but then there are smokers. They are all about low and slow cooking. The Pit Boss Lexington Onyx pellet grill gives you superior versatility. It can smoke, grill, bake, and much more. This one comes with a cover and has precise temperature controls. So whether you're searing a steak or slow smoking brisket, you'll get great results every time. And with its sturdy design, it's built to last. Okay, so let's talk about what makes a good basic setup. If you're just starting out, you want a barbecue that's versatile, but easy to use. A gas barbecue like the Matador Spark 2, 4 or 6 burner is a solid option. It's got a side burner, LED backlit controls, and plenty of space for weeknight dinners or small gatherings. If you're cooking for larger groups, the Jumbuck 4-burner griddle barbecue is a great choice. With a large cooktop and 4 independent heat zones, it's ideal for entertaining. You can grill up to 50 sausages at once, perfect for parties or sports clubs. So that's our basic setup. But if you're looking for something a little more elaborate, are keen on slow cooking, or want to master that perfect smoky flavour, a smoker is the way to go. The Pit Boss Pro 4-pallet smoker is great for serious cooks. It has a massive 29 kilo hopper capacity, which means fewer refills during long cooks, and is Wi-Fi enabled. This allows you to monitor and control the cooking process remotely, providing real-time updates and alerts through an app. You can adjust temperatures, track multiple probes, and receive notifications when your food is ready, all without opening the smoker and losing heat or smoke. Making this one perfect for long cooks or entertaining, as it lets you step away while ensuring precise results every time. If you're looking for something a little different, check out the Blackstone 2-burner hooded griddle with air fryer. This is a compact barbecue with 3,322 square centimetres of cooking area, making it ideal for smaller spaces. But what really sets it apart is the built-in air fryer drawer and warming drawer. Not only can you grill as usual, but you can also crisp up sides or even bake while you're cooking your main dishes. If you love charcoal cooking and versatility, the Char Griller Side Firebox can be used as a standalone tabletop charcoal grill, making it perfect for smaller spaces, quick meals, or even weekend getaways and camping trips. But its real magic lies in its ability to attach to other grills to convert them into a Texas-style smoker. If you'd like to experiment with smoking or just need a compact, reliable charcoal grill, this is a great addition to your setup. For charcoal enthusiasts, this Acorn Kamado cooker is a standout. Its triple wall insulation helps retain heat for even cooking, and it uses less charcoal than traditional grills. It's perfect if you love a hands-on approach and want that rich, smoky flavour. And for those who want it all, there's the Char Griller Texas Trio. This one can cook up to 55 burgers at once. It's made of heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish and is the ultimate Texas-style smoker. The combination grill lets you switch between gas, charcoal, and smoking, so you can mix up your cooking style depending on what you're in the mood for. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. At the end of the day, choosing the right barbecue or smoker is really about how you would like to cook. Whether you're after a sleek gas barbecue, a high-tech smoker, or a traditional charcoal grill, we have something in our range to suit every style and budget. Check out the new range in-store or online to find the perfect one for you. Here's to your next barbecue cook-up.